Elsewhere, Chief Justice David Maraga now recommends the Ombudsman be appointed by the Judicial Service Commission and not by the President, as recommended by the Building Bridges Initiative Constitutional Amendment Bill. Maraga claims the proposal is a direct conflict and duplication of roles between the Ombudsman and Judicial Service Commission.
Chief Justice David Maraga, who is also the chairman of the Judicial Service Commission, is opposed to the appointment of the Judicial Ombudsman, saying the move risks parallel complaints being instituted with the JSC as well as the Ombudsman, and adds to the possibility of different decisions being arrived at, resulting in a constitutional dilemma.
The result of the BBI proposal is a direct conflict and a duplication of roles between the Ombudsman and the Judicial Service Commission. The risk of parallel complaints being instituted with the JSC as well as the Ombudsman, and the possibility of different decisions being arrived at, is real and may result into a constitutional quagmire.
Flanked by other JSC members, Maraga said the office of the Ombudsman should also be enhanced, strengthened and made accessible to members of the public.
Such a move will only serve to erode public confidence in a commission that was termed before 2010 as no longer regarded as truly independent, so that the judiciary is seen as vulnerable to government pressures. It is for this reason that the JSC recommends, among others, that the structure and functions of the Ombudsman, as proposed by the BBI report and the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020, be abandoned, and instead the Judiciary Ombudsman be appointed by the Judicial Service Commission with a mandate to conduct investigations and report to the Judicial Service Commission, which will take appropriate action as authorized by the Constitution.
Maraga said though the BBI Secretariat has closed the window for any more amendments to the bill, the JSC will still send them a copy of the recommendations.
We are making our position clear, and we will send the BBI Secretariat a copy of this report. If they ignore it, the public already knows the position of the judiciary. With regard to the cases that are in court, the JSC will look at them and see whether or not they need to join, or they can be held or conducted without the JSC being involved.
Maraga, who Friday takes his terminal leave ahead of his retirement in January after attaining the age of 70 years, is also opposed to the number of executive appointees in the JSC from 4 to 5.
The proposal seeks to enhance the number of executive appointees in the JSC from 4 to 5. The unusually heavy tilt towards executive representation in the JSC compared to other commissions has the potential danger of entrenching executive authority in the JSC and by extension in the judiciary.